we're doing here. This is the International Department of Energy Solar Decathlon competition. And we've been lucky enough to partner with UC Berkeley.
Our house is a post and beam system, which essentially means you can adjust the structure of the house to accommodate the way that it's stacked.
It's just over 800 square feet with an 800 square foot deck in the front. Now that seems like a really large deck, right? So the reason being is our design is unique in a sense that it can actually be stacked. So it's designed to be able to have one home underneath, a second home on top, then a third home on top of that.
Richmond, California is right next to Berkeley, and it's a city that seeing a lot of, it's growing in numbers, and so they need more housing, and that's part of what our stackable design is for, is to create more high density housing.
Being able to take our knowledge from the classroom and come out and actually build something feasible and physical, I think that's where we actually connect the dots.
Our design process is really collaborative, so we had a lot of design charrettes where we had professionals come in, we had students collaborating and coming up with so many different designs.
You know, it's one thing to read it in a book, but to actually apply it on a job site, it really takes the learning experience to the next level.
I think bringing in DU is like the best thing that we've done. It was a really smart move. It was also just, we are really good at engineering, at design, at coming up with innovative ideas, which I know DU is too, but they have a special aspect of construction management experience.
And that's where the University of Denver comes in, with our great construction real estate program.
They're the construction managers who come and check us and say, how are you going to build this? Did you think this through? This design is cool, but like, is it actually going to be feasible? You know, and so that's where that partnership was really great.
Today is our groundbreaking, so we laid out the plans, and we'll do that little celebratory experience. The competition is middle of October. So over the next couple months, we will build the house, completely furnish it, and then separate it at the seams, put it on a truck, transport it to the Peña Station competition site, where we will rebuild it, break it back down, and then ship it across country to California for its final, resting place.
For me, it's been really, really rewarding and really exciting, especially just today, like laying out these boards. Seems kind of silly, but just visualizing how big the house is, I've never been able to like step in it and see, oh yeah, this is where this is going to be, and it's been really cool. So I am just itching to start building, to be honest.